afternoon, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the second reunion of LPU Performing Arts Association sa inyong lahat. Malapakan lang sa sarili.
It's so nice to be here sa LPU reunion, diba? So nice to be here. Thank you so much for inviting me. And yeah, let's have fun today.
For attending this reunion. What I can say is love and peace to all.
Eh, natungo na naman tayo kahit na tayo mga bata pa. Pero magpapasalamat din sana tayo lahat. Kundi sa isang taong bumuo nito.
Good afternoon. Yes, it is an honor to be here and to meet you all. I hope we get to talk to some of you later on. And thank you so much for coming here again together para magsama-sama po tayo. Sir Martin will also be coming. I'm not sure just what time. Pero thank you again po for having me and I hope to learn from you. Thank you po. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid of the love for life we've made. Through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, whom I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more than I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you. Through the years.
Well, I'm batch 1971, and I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you for coming, near and far, and we pray for all of your safety in your travels.
Sama-sama din tayo. We're all over around the world, you know. We made our time to come over here. And
Hello.
maraming salamat po.
Music daw.
To all those chairpersons and members of different committee. Salamat sa inyong lahat. And I am now 77 years old and I'm so happy that I can celebrate this event with all of you guys.
Awiting bago ay
If not for these two very, very important people na nagtyaga, nagpuya, lahat na.
Sa inyong lahat, itong mga affair na ganito talagang nami-miss ko. Dahil nung araw, palagi ako umattend dito nung nililigaw ko pa si Mrs. Talagang hindi ako pwedeng hindi dumating dito kahit na may iba akong appointment. Ito ang katwiran ko na dapat palaging ipaglaban ko.
Actually, the officers of the FEU, Performing Arts Alumni Association, and also I would like us to offer 3 prayers for nakita last dyan, ang dami ng nasa kabilang buhay na mga dating dancers, gymnasts, players natin.
Come on, everybody! Clap your hands! Oh, you're looking good! I'm going to sing my song. It won't take long. We're going to do the twist, and it goes like this. Come on, let's twist again, like we did last.